Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can open the Leviathan Den in the Fish 8 game on the Roblox Crystal Depths update. Okay, let's get into it guys. To open the Leviathan Den location, you need to open this mysterious cave. You need to solve or complete the mysterious cave quest, and then this cave will be opened. And don't forget to use the diving gear to dive right here. Okay, you need to go to the maze room, or I forget the name. Wait guys, I'm on the way there. Okay, to start the mission you need to meet the archaeologist. Oh, the secret passage. Okay, and then you'll find this location guys, and you need to talk to this NPC to start the quest. But to start the quest you need to complete the Pirate Cove index. You need to reach 100 progress. It means that you need to catch all the fish from the Pirate Cove, and I'm still working on it guys. My progress now is 84%, and you don't need to catch the secret fish, just common until the mythic fish to complete the index. And after you complete the progress, you will have the Forgotten Scale quest, and one of the quests is finding the artifact, and the artifact will be in the tropical grove, and then the crater island, and also the lost isle. You need to place the artifacts right here, and you also need to catch a secret fish if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, the first thing you're going to do to start the quest is completing the fish index of the Pirate Cove. And then this is the gate for the Leviathan Den. After you complete the Forgotten mission or Forgotten Scale quest, or wait, Forgotten Scale quest, you will be able to open the Leviathan's Den. Okay, and that's all the way to open the Leviathan's Den. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.